Hello everyone. So today we are just going to know about the semantic similarity or semantic search or cosine similarity. All these things are the technical words. So first we need to know embedding. Embedding is the numerical representation of the text that capture meanings. So similar sentence have a similar numbers. These numbers are also called vector as well. Now come to the cosine similarity. So embedding is as we understood that the embedding is the numerical representation of a text. It can be text, it can be image, it can be video. So once we convert it into 0 1 format, we store it in our database, right? And whenever we need to get the data, so in 0 1 format we get it and then convert it into text format or video or in which format we want. That is the something the part of the conversion. But now, what exactly we need to fetch for that? There is the something a cosine similarity. Which exactly query? What exactly query is and what we need to get from the database. So that is the cosine part of the cosine similarity. That measure how similar to embedding are. As the range is the -1 to 1 means -1 is completely opposite, 0 is not related, and 1 is the it's a completely what we exactly require. So our code is the basic semantic search engine that store the text, convert into the embedding and text queries and find the most similar sentences. As you can see, we have a database like document line number 4 to line number 9. We have a 5 line database or 5 line, you can say, set of sentences. Right. So this is our data set. Think it, think of it like a small search engine. This is right. So how we get that, right? So step 2, you can see the dog embedding. So that is the part of the embedding part, right? Each sentence converted into the vector format, that is the 0 1 format, and is stored into the doc embedding, right? And this is also called the vectorization, which I already told you, right? Now once we search the query, enter the enter your search query wherever you can see that the query dot embedding and get embedding, and in get embedding our input we pass. So it also convert in the embedding format to vector format and find the exact similar values, right? So these are the things. Loop through all the documents and compare the query if each document is the cosine similarity, and keep the track highest score and best match document. If a best match is the which one is the very closest to one, this is the best match, right? So let it run and then we see the output, and basis of that we will find what exactly we are doing here, right? About exactly the semantic searches. So let me run it. Yes, you can see. Oh, it's still running. It's taking time. Yep. Enter the search query. So we have a few things, right? So let me search a cricket. I'm writing here a cricket. Uh, crick, not crick, crick. Okay, cricket. Best match is I love playing cricket. That is 0.67%, right? Same way again, if we run it and I write AI. Artificial intelligence is the transforming the world. Is the first. So this is the way we are getting the most closest value. So I hope you understand all these things. What is the embedding, how it works, and how the best match value we get it. Right? Hope you understand. And still, if you have any query, then please comment. I will try to resolve your issue. Thank you.